Hello everyone. Let's unbox. I got the package today from Shein. So I decided to unbox today. I forgot. I'm excited. What's in here? Let me see the quality of this. Wow, that's too big for the small. Extra small. It's too big for the extra small, guys. But I like the colors. But it's too big for the extra small. But I think it's okay. Let's try. And this one is for the lid. If you have watermelon left over, so you just put the lid. This is transparent lid for the watermelon or whatever you wanna cover up. So yeah, this is so cheap, guys. I ordered this one from Shein. It's cheap. It's nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. It's nice. Nice. Okay, the clothes I wanna put over here. And plastic is on the floor. There's another one. This one is hot pad. Oh, I like it. It's a thick one. It's thick. Nice. It's too big. I thought this is small. This is extra small. Oh, this is extra small. And wow, I like the quality. Nice. It's very soft, comfy. It's not warm, it's color. It's good for summer. It's nice and I love the color. Oh, this one is a small size. I like it. It's like oversized, comfortable. Look. I love it. I love the quality. Some of them I love the quality. And another one. Nice. I love the quality. Extra small, but it's like oversized. I love it. nice. I love the color. My favorite is brown, guys. So that's why, as you can see, I always wear the brown because my favorite is brown and pink. Hot pad. I thought I ordered two. Every size is 2 of them, but I guess just one. This is the large one, and I guess this one is a smaller one. So yeah. This time I order a lot of t-shirt because for a change for me. Before I don't like t-shirt, now I like t-shirt. Oh, it's nice, comfy, very nice. I love the color. See? I love the color. It's nice. It's nice. This is a lot of orders. I think this one is 113 pieces. Yeah. So, oh, sorry. Because my head, see? Wow, I like the quality. It's very it's cooler. It's good for summer. Nice, very nice, comfy. Sticker too. Nice, nice. I'm happy my order. Nice. I have a lot of like this color, like this material too, because it's very comfy, it's very soft. So yeah, it's nice. I love it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy my order. Skirt. This is a skirt. So yeah. And this one is blouse. Nice. Exactly the same, look like a in the picture. It's nice. There you go. That's nice. I love the color, I love the quality, and I love the way you feel the material. It's so comfy, and it's not like the other material is itchy. This one is not. It feels good, you know. It's very comfortable. Comfortable, and they give you the extra bone. Blouse. I love the quality. I'm so happy. I thought this one is very thin, but it's not. It's perfect. nice. I am happy. I have this one already, but I order another one because I really love it. Very comfortable. I love the color, the very comfortable. Very comfortable shirt. Oh wow, that's so nice. It's very comfy. I'm so happy. Very soft, very comfortable. Nice. Oh, I also have a lot inside the box, guys. I think I'm gonna make it this one 2 videos because this is very long videos already. I'm gonna make it a part 1 and part 2 so that you can see. That's nice. Yeah. It's very soft. Nice. Very comfy. This one is $10. It's very nice, very comfortable, soft, color material. It's very comfortable for summer. Ta-da! Oh wow, that's so nice. Very comfortable. Nice. Wow, this is my favorite, guys. In the picture. That's why I ordered this. It's oversized. See? It's very nice. Huh. It's nice. And you just wear the belts. That's nice. That one. There's another one. Wow. I like it. It's not that thin. It's not thin materials. It's nice. Yeah. It's my leggings. It's my leggings. I think I'm gonna make meatballs. Oops, sorry guys. I sneezed. Sorry. Look at this. This is for the meatballs. If I'm gonna make meatballs, just do like this in the meat, the ground meat. And you do like this so that it's faster. So yeah, got this. for the like hot pad. Ta-da! Nice. I'm so happy. I'm so happy what I got. There's for the meatballs too. There you go. You just select this for the meatballs. And I have another one, hot pot. See? Hot pot. They're matching. Nice. Turtleneck. There you go. Oh, okay. So the other one is medium. Oh, I got the extra large. Oh, I got two of them. Hot pad. Nice. See? And I got it. It's small. So the other one, I got large and medium and small. This one is for your like glass or cup, or you have a cup of coffee for the glass. And it's medium size, small size, and large size. I'm happy my order. I have another shirt. Nice. Positive mind. What's up? Positive mind vibes life. That's why I ordered this one. It's nice. I love it. There's another one. See, I ordered this one too. Two and two. Every size I ordered 2 pieces. Medium. It's another one. Wow, that's so cool. I ordered two and two because I want a matching. See? That's so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay. And what is this? I forgot what is this for. Ah, okay. This one, guys, is for the hamburger. Oh, I thought it's not it's very thin. This is for the hamburger. You just put the hamburger down there. And the runner for the table. Wow, that's nice. Oh, I thought I got this the other one, but that's okay. I got this one. This is for the middle, in the middle for the table. Nice. This is the one I want anyway. Okay. Nice. And I love the color. I love the color. So cute. And I have this one, my first order, guys, but I order the other one because I really love it, and then the eggs is safe, so it won't crack. So I ordered the other one. So I have two this one already. Now I have two this one. No, maganda ito siya, guys. Mura lang ito, $7. Mura lang ito, $7. And then maganda siya. Lagay mo sa refrigerator yung mga eggs. Yan. Lagay mo sa refrigerator. Safety na ang mo. Safety ang mga eggs mo. Hindi hindi siya mag-crack. Ano to? Okay. This one, I ordered this one because when I cook, fry ang oil nag-spread ba? Nagtalsikan. Yan. Ang mga oil nagtalsikan. I can make this one here, the oil. But that's okay. I ordered this one. This is cheap. It's only like $2, $3, something like that. That's fine. I will need this one. I will use that one of this day when I cook. Okay, so I have this. We're back to clothes. Shirt. Nice. I love it. $10 lang ito, guys. So, very comfortable. Very soft. I love the colors. And I have this one for the garlic. Put the garlic over here, then just do like this, press it. Do like this. It's nice. I love the color. Nice. Love that. What else? Gloves. I thought I ordered white this one. What is this? Oh, leggings. Another leggings, guys. I ordered 2 leggings. Yeah, I ordered 2 leggings. And I have another one. That's cool. Tights. The other one is no. Oh, I ordered 2 tights then. too tight. That's okay because I really need it. Wow. I ordered 2 of them, this one, by accident. Well, my hubby's ordered 2 of them by accident. Because he's the one he sent me the extra. Yeah, because he's the one to order this one for me. Hubby. And I have this one for the lotion. So that it's easy for hubby to use it, his lotion. And also it's clear, so he can see right away, right here. So, yeah, that one I ordered 2 of them, one for him and one for me. I like it. Wow, it's good quality. I love it. Yeah, one for him and one for me. I love it, guys. This one is only $3. It's very, very cheap. Very cheap. Is that right? Yeah. When you okay. Oh, okay. So when you fill up the lotion, when you put the lotion, you do like this. This back the lid, and then you just put like this. There you go. It's easy. Wow, it's nice. It's nice, guys. There you go. Nice. That one. Ta-da. Nice. If I do have a carrots, I'm gonna extract the carrots so I can do it right there. Very sharp, so I need to be careful. Very nice. And I have this. For the, you're gonna make the patty hamburger, the ground chicken, ground beef, ground pork. If you wanna get, if you decided to make a hamburger patty, so you're just gonna press this one, put in here. It's nice. I like it. And this is what I need very bad, because my hands, especially this time is winter, so my hands, I always wash my hands, and my hands is very dry, even though I put the lotion, the hand cream all the time. It's still very dry. So now I try to, when I wash the dishes, I will try to use this one, so that it's very nice, very comfortable. It's not tight, it's not too big, you know. Perfect. Nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I ordered 2 of them. This one. This is 2 for one package, and I have another one here. I don't want to open this one yet because I don't use the other one. And I have brush. Meron akong brush para mag-bake ako. Kailangan ko ng mag-brush ng sauce or kahit ano. Kung kailangan ko mag-brush ng meat or kung mag-meat bake, mag-ano ko ng bread, ganyan. Yeah. Nice. I love it. It's nice. Another shirt. Wow. It's nice. I have this one already. For my blazer or this one is for the french fries. You use this one for the french fries, guys. You have to put your sauce over here and then your french fries over here. This one. And your sauce, ketchup, and french fries over here. And that's why I bought for the holder, hamburger holder. I have 2 this one. 2. I bought 2 of them because there's another one. Because one for me and one for my hubby. So, ta-da! This is the second one. Oh, that's good because you can take off this. See? Nice. So you have to put the sauce, the ketchup, and your french fries over here. Nice. And ta-da! And this one is same thing. For if you make a hamburger, you can put over here and press this one. Yeah. So that is yeah. Put the ground meat inside and press this one so that you can. There you go. Nice. Ta-da! There you go. If you're gonna cook and you need to flip the, you have this one is let's see. There you go. You hold the meat. This one you hold the meat inside over here so that you won't drop it. That's nice. See? Like this, a clip. Nice. I like it. So far, I love my order. I'm satisfied. And this one, guys, when you peel the ginger, or yeah, when you peel the ginger, you can use this, or carrots, but this is not good for the carrots, just the ginger, the small one. It's a peeler. Ginger. It's very sharp, so I need to put it back, the cover. I have to put it back. There you go. Because it's very sharp. Oh, I didn't know I ordered this one. Wow, that's so nice. I'm glad I ordered this. Avocado, for the avocado. If you did not eat the whole thing, your avocado, you have this one. You just put in here and put in the refrigerator so that you don't waste your avocado, because the avocado is very expensive here. So yeah, nice. I'm so happy. I didn't know I ordered this one. So happy. Oh, I do have some more. Like what I said, I order like 114 pieces. And I don't think I can show you guys all of them because our video is very long now. And I'm just gonna make it this one, part 1 and part 2. So that you guys, you don't get bored. This is for the lemon. Lemon. See? Ta-da! There you go. It's very easy. What is this? Folding stand. Oh, folding stand. What is this for? Oh, for the iPhone. Folding stand. I don't think it's gonna fit in my iPhone. Oh, I don't think so. There you go. Wow. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think. Let me see. I'm gonna go get my other phone. Let's see if it's gonna work. Hopefully. Yeah, it's gonna work this phone. But the other one, my new one, I'm sure it's not gonna work because that's bigger. This one is gonna work. Okay. This one is gonna work. Let's see. Ay. Woo! But the other one is not gonna work. Wow. Yeah. Ah, okay. You have to do like this so that it won't fall. There you go, guys. I love it. The color. Oh, nice. I thought I'm gonna waste it. I have pimples all over because I did not get sleep good lately. Oh, nice. I'm comfortable. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm gonna save this one. I don't need to save it. So that you want to collect the okay, there's a small. Small. And there's another one. Oh, I ordered just only one of this. Oh no, two! Oh my god. Wow, that's nice. I thought just only one. I will be disappointed. Nice. But the other one, guys, is very comfortable than this one. This one is more thicker. You can feel the plastic. The other one is like you can feel like silicone. What is this? This is for, it's a brush. Like if you wanna brush, if you're gonna bake something and then you use the like oil, you do like this. Just put like that, the lid. This. I have one more order coming, guys, from Shein. This one is the lid for like for the drinks, like Coke, Sprite, like that. The lid. If you cannot finish your soda, you have to put this one. Cover. That one. And I have another one, guys. For same thing for the iPhone holder. While you are charging your iPhone. So, that's crazy. But this one I don't really trust it. Oh, that's so cool. It worked. It's working. It's working. It's working for this phone because a little bit smaller. The new one is big. It's too big for this, so I'm pretty sure I can use it for the new iPhone. There you go. Nice. I have two. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Adventures in My Life. And please follow me in my Facebook page, Adventures in My Life too. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to hit the bell button in the bottom, so that you guys updated in our new videos. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you everyone, and God bless. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Bye. Thank you.